welcome to 80 Productions. Here we were stationed at Fairplain Road in Lake City, Pennsylvania, as we await the arrival of Norfolk Southern eastbound manifest train number 310. Today's train was led by a special treat, an ex-Conrail SD60M, which still retains his Leslie RS3L horn. As NS310 keeps making its way east to Buffalo, we move west to the All-Aboard Diner in Lake City, Pennsylvania. This diner was built in the 1800s to serve the Lakeshore and Michigan Southern Railway, and eventually the New York Central Railway. The station was retired in the 1970s and now serves as a restaurant, nicknamed the All-Aboard Diner. Here we see westbound Autorack train CSX-Q 227 as it heads west to Cleveland, Ohio. Today's train was led by Canadian Pacific Power. The power is two AC 4400 CWs. As this train keeps heading west, we turn our cameras back, facing west, as we see an eastbound CSX intermodal train, led by an ET-44AH. In the background, we see the Niger Mill. This mill does everything from mulch to birdseed. Now let's listen to this train's K5HLA horn as it blows through downtown Lake City, Pennsylvania. Note the couple toots of the horn that he gives us as he passes by our cameras. We thank you for watching 80 Productions. We hope you enjoyed this short video by us. Also, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. and have a wonderful day. Happy rail fanning and train chasing.